I'm gonna basically make a video on how I edit my videos. So let's get started. So first, I use this app called VideoPad Professional by Init or whatever, and I have the pro version of it, so like I can export videos really fast and stuff. So I open up my file, because why not? So then I like drag it down here. Oh, and by the way, this video isn't sponsored. So then I have my audio clip right here, so I'm gonna play it. See everything that happens. Here's my audio clip. I can do a narration voiceover. And yeah, here's the video. So then what I do is that like, I'd cut out whatever parts I want by doing this. I just like click on it, and then I could click that, and then I could keep on playing, and then wherever I want to end it, like let's say right here, I could do that, cut that out. I mean, like, I could just make it a different section, and then if I wanted to delete it, then I could just do delete, and then it would be gone, as you can see right here. And then to undo something, I press Control Z. So now it's back to normal. And so like, I have my outro and intro like already set up in here, so it's there. So I just gotta like either like drag it down here, or I just save it. Here's my intro. It's already there. So then after that, what I do is that if I wanted to add like a title, you know those things where I like put at the end of the video? Yeah, if I wanted to add those titles, I'd go to right here, add title, and I could do like whatever I want. Sometimes it's kind of like hard to click it. I don't know why. Okay, it's gone. And then if I wanted to add the title, I could do add title. And then for the text, I just click the text, and then I could do whatever I want. I like just doing the simple text because it's pretty basic and it's cool. And then I click on there. Oh, that's not gonna come. Okay. And I do like whatever I want. Spam, I don't care. And then once I finish all of that, I could either add audio tracks if I want to, or like I could just do whatever I want. And that I do is I drag my outro right here. If I want to put a text, if I want to put like a text or anything anywhere, and then if I want to put any text over here, then I just do it from here. And then finally, to export the video to YouTube, what I would do is click export video and click YouTube, then the category, and then all I have to do is create, and then it uploads it to YouTube because I'm already signed in. And yeah, that's basically all. So if you like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Is it